So guys, for the first method, you're going to head it with search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're going to head it with search and type in Windows Security. Now, you're going to click on App Settings. And then once you run this, you're going to scroll down and then click on Terminate. Now, you're going to click on Reset. And then click on Reset again. Wait for this to load. See if that works for you. For the last method, you're going to head it with search and type in CMD. Now, you have to run it as administrator. And then click on Yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on Enter. Then you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you now want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on Enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.